We are at the Buchenegger Waterfalls right now. We just met up with Thomas, he's right over there. And now we're trying to jump in, so see you up there.
Now I'm the only one. Only one.
Now we're checking the water depth.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Oh! Alles gut? Scheiße! Geht's? Rotated a little bit. Yeah.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So this is the end of our video now. I couldn't do as many flips because I kind of fell hard from the 20 meters. Fell on my back, so couldn't really do as much as I wanted to. But this guy, Thomas over here, he just did the most insane thing I've ever witnessed. He did a 30-meter gainer, and then afterwards he also did a 30-meter double flip. So yeah, it was the most insane thing I ever witnessed. So check this guy out on Instagram. His name is Thomas Wunderlich. The name is also in the description. Yeah, see you next time.